I, Sezani Dangare, I take you today as my wife, not just a wife, but as a partner, as a friend, as the love of my life, the one and the only person who makes me happy.
Sezani, my love, I've never felt so happy in my entire life. You have made me feel like the most loved and happiest person in this world.
My baby girl is very much understanding. I actually call her my angel. She's so understanding, compassionate, wathokomela, wathetshelesa.
The one who brings joy in my life, the one who makes me smile when I'm sad, the one who makes me happy when I'm down, the one and the only.
I pledge to remain your companion and your friend. I promise to be with you always, to care for you no matter what circumstances may come our way. I believe in you and the person you will become. I believe in all your achievements, and I promise to be with you as we build a successful future together.
I take you today as my wife. May your people be my people. May my God be your God. The God I serve may be your God. I decree and I declare today, may whatever that will come in this life, it will never separate us. I will stand for every challenges. I will stand for everything. I will choose you as my wife today. As I take this ring today, may this be a memories of me all the time. May you always carry this diamond on your finger as remembering of me. You are the person that I've ever thought I would meet in this life. You are the person that I've never thought that there exists in this life. I'm saying by this ring, I love you so much, and I'll always love you.
With this ring, I take you as my wedded husband, in sickness and in health, through all challenges. And with this ring, I promise to love you forever and always, for you are my one and only.
Amen.
You got this figured out, and you're watching us now. And when it looks
Gentlemen,
as if we
Mr. and Mrs. Tangare! What's the way? Aibo! Aibo!
So my three favorite parts in the wedding. The first one, it was the vows, right? I really loved the vows. I actually loved to hear what my husband had to say. My second favorite part was the rings. It was a very beautiful speech, and I love my rings.
Aibo!
Welcome to the family, Uncle Sezi. You're one of us now. I'm happy for you all. Love you and thank you.
I'm the mother of the bride and the happiest mother today.
Ambo difiriruza aswika khonya miḓi na miḓana ambo ḓi swika ane mavola a mu wana musidzana mutshena ano tamba nga maṱo.
she believed in me. She never doubted me, whatever that I have said. And that day finally it has come. So I just want to say thank you so much, my wife, for making this day to be like this. I will always appreciate you and love you so much.